Where is this? What is? Go, 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 go! First day of school. Grade 1. Grade 1, go! Take care of your ID, huh? Take care of your ID. Oh, go.
I will pick you up later. Have you... What's your seat?
You have to... No, no. First day of school, Brielle. Are you excited? Huh? Are you excited? What, Kuya, are you? Huh? You're excited, Kuya, for grade 1? Oh, yes, you did. And, babe, huh? Okay? M. Where's the M here? Wait lang. No wonder. No teacher. No ano. They told that there is teacher here. Come, come, come. Oh, come on. First day of school. Hello. It's bright day.
Yes.
Okay, come. Is KG here? KG? Okay. Smile ah. Bean, say. Okay na. Bye-bye.
Sige po.
Okay. Come on, come on. Bye-bye. Pastor.
How's the first day?
I miss it.
Huh? How's the first day of school for you too?
I'm sad.
Huh?
I have
What can you
my
say?
ID.
You have your ID. But kuya, where's your ID?
ID only have my intent.
Where's your ID, boy?
Have my ID back.
Is it fun? Is that fun? School, kuya? Is that fun in school? Yes? Yes?
Go. Uy, your, ano? Water. Put it up. Sige. Careful kuya. Ouch.
Good morning.
Wala good morning. Good morning kuya. Wala good morning.
Kahapon pinagalitan ko kaya ay
Bakit? Bakit eh?
Ha?
Bakit?
Ay paano sobrang wala
Kulit.
talaga hindi nakikinig.
Sige lang, magano lang.
Sabi ko sa kanya, susumbong kita kay daddy mo, si daddy mo upo dito. Hindi, wala pa rin.
Sige.
Na ano din, kasi sabi ko, ayoko na sa'yo ha, sabi kong ganon. Ikaw na lang mag-isa dito, iwanan kita. Nakatulog kaya siya.
Ano ganun? Sige na, bye-bye. See you. Sige na. Bye, Brielle.